In this video, I'll show you how to find your PayPal routing number step by step. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to find my PayPal routing number, first open the PayPal app on your phone or go to paypal.com on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on Wallet at the bottom of the screen. Next, select Go to Direct Deposit. After that, on this screen, you'll see your PayPal account number, and just below it, you'll find your routing number. This routing number is used for direct deposits into your personal PayPal account, similar to a checking account. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.